We have the Plz Weekly Coffee bean right here. This is a weekly subscription service that sends you new coffee beans, a unique blend of coffee beans each week, which I think is really, really cool. It gets you not stuck in that rut of trying the same coffee beans all the time or just getting the same blend all the time. So this kind of puts you out of your comfort zone. In every bag, there is a unique blend. So for this one, for this week, this is January 22nd. This is a Colombia, Guatemala, and Brazil blend. It smells, the beans, they smell super fresh. Very good. Trying to think what it smells like cocoa. I could definitely smell the cocoa in it, but yeah, it just smells, that's probably the freshest beans I've ever smelled, coming from a bag. I mean, I'm usually going, unfortunately, I'm usually going to the grocery store and getting bags of coffee there, but I thought I'd try to, get some more unique blends of coffee, maybe up my coffee game and try something new. These guys came up and I really like their methodology. They're very much attention to detail. They're kind of curating coffee beans for you. You don't have to think about it. They're sending it to you each week, so you don't have to worry about anything really, and that's what I really, really like about them. They also are very much into marketing and really customer service and attention to detail. There's a message from the team there and just saying, thanks for supporting us. They give you kind of a weekly newsletter with every batch that's sent to you. And it also tells you what's in your cup for this week, which I think is really, really cool and kind of has that like above and beyond attention to detail that, you kind of are missing out nowadays with products. Is, you just go and buy the product, they send it to you, and that's it. You can tell that they're very, very passionate about their coffee. They're passionate about the blends that they're sending you. And then on the back, it has a playlist for the week, and you can, it has a QR code where you can listen to the playlist on Spotify or Apple Music, which I think is really, really cool. You can also find new music. Awesome. Starbucks used to do that back in the day. But yeah, and also, who doesn't love stickers? I love stickers. Put them everywhere. So yeah, I'm really happy with kind of like the ideas and kind of like what they're trying to do. And then obviously you're trying out different coffees each week, so you can really get into finding out what you really, really like. So let's taste it. Wow, that's good. That has like a medium roast type of taste to me. It tastes very balanced, kind of earthy. I don't think I've ever actually had a unique blend like this before. So this tastes good though. I usually like my coffee black, and this is a really, really good cup of coffee. I'd be excited to start trying out more of their coffees on a weekly basis and trying to see what the differences are really, But yeah, this is quality. It's very easy to get started. And like with anything, the best beans is a totally subjective thing. So the best thing for you to do is to try this thing out. Links are in the description below to help support this channel. You can get started doing the weekly service, which is gonna be great. I really, really like where they're coming from and the attention to detail that this company has. So if you found this video useful at all, please like it and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.